Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Box Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have a token here which I managed to get from London Mint. It's one of these ones where they said it's a gift for the nation. And actually these coins and tokens that are gifts for the nation that the London Mint do are actually not totally free, because they're free of charge in the sense that you don't pay for the coin or token itself, but you do pay package and posting, which is £2.50. So this is the new Team GB token from London Mint. You have a laurel leaf around the outside, which, considering this is an Olympic coin, this is what many years ago in the ancient Olympics they used to be awarded a laurel wreath which they could put on their head to show that they were winners, or one of the top three. You have the Olympic rings below it, on the just a little bit up from where the laurel leaf starts, which is the two thongs are crossed over at the bottom. You have and then you have Team GB above it, and then you have the Team GB logo, which is the lion's head, and it's facing out to the left. On the reverse, you have a logo going across the top of the coin, the road to Paris. On the left hand side of the coin you have an image of the Parisian landscape with the Eiffel Tower in the centre. Then the centre, going from the centre going out to the right hand side of the coin as you're looking at it, we have a lion's half of a lion's head representing Team GB. So, do you like this coin, or like this token? I think it's quite a eye-catching token. You have to do a double take when you first look at it to realise that it is the lion's head on half of a lion's head on this side. It took me a couple of seconds to adjust to see that, but once you have, it's quite a good looking token. It comes in a capsule, and the fact that it's also got the Eiffel Tower, which is the icon of Paris. So you got the icon of Paris, and you got the part of the Team GB logo as well, which is the lion's head. So it's an effective coin. It shows what it's about in the coin if you can read the iconography. So yes, I do like this coin. Well, it's not actually a coin, it's a token. It has no intrinsic value, it has no monetary value written on it. Do I think it's worth the £2.50? Yep, easily. It will go into my sports collection. It's got its own casing here to be able to keep it in tip-top condition. I won't take it out of that, I'll just put it straight into my collection within this casing. And it will be a nice reminder of this year's Olympics. We have, of course, seen the Olympic 50p in the annual set, and I can see it being released. I've got a suspicion that it might well be actually minted for circulation, this coin, or the 50p, Team GB 50p from the Royal Mint. I have a feeling it could well be minted, and it might also be the strike around this year. Personally, I'm hoping it'll be the Winston Churchill, which is later on in the year, the £2 coin, because that is not being released as an individual release, from what has been said. So tell me, what do you think of this token? I believe it is still available at London Mint if you are interested in it. So that ends this review of the token. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, could you please give me the thumbs up? Also, I am looking to improve my subscriber level. It's November 15th and I'm on 301 subscribers. I'm targeting 425 by at the end of this year on December the 31st, and hopefully I will make it again, or make my target again this year as I did last year. If you can help by subscribing, I would be grateful, but do so if you believe I deserve it, or deserve your subscription. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 5 and usually 6 videos a week, so you will have something to, hopefully you'll find something that you want to watch. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for staying to the end, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.